region of subcutaneous blanket of fat that exists between the tendons and ligaments of the upper part of the hand and the skin surface. This creates a more aged appearance. From hanging our hands at our sides through most of our lives rather than holding them up in the air, the venous blood pools in these veins. They become larger and distended over the years and become quite prominent. When patients have had wonderful facial rejuvenation procedures, their major complaint to me is that, well, Dr. Romano, my hands give away my age. And so what can be done for that?
A portrait of a beautiful woman, a moment in time, now many years past. Now the subject of the portrait is determined to recapture something of her youthful appearance.
I don't like sinewy-looking hands, and I do have slender hands, and I just thought, well, if there's a solution to it, why not?
And I'm going to plan on concentrating in these areas over here. You don't need as much in this region.
The surgeon will perform what's called fat grafting. First, a hollow needle goes into the patient's stomach to suck out the fat.
We are basically removing fat from one part of the body, transplanting it to another part of the body, and having the blood supply grow in.
Once the fat's been extracted, it's treated in a centrifuge to separate the live cells.
Growth hormones.
Then they're mixed with purified blood plasma to encourage them to grow in their new home. It's a relatively new technique, which is still being refined.
The fat cells are very fragile. They don't like to be exposed to the air or to the outside of the body. Placing them without fracturing and injuring them is a little difficult. What we're striving to find is a method of reliably transferring those cells so they have a better survival in their recipient sites.
So, has the $1,700 operation worked today?
And Lola, we're all done.
What difference has it made? Photographs taken before and after show it's a subtle difference.
I think it's marvelous. I'm all for it. Definitely an improvement. Isn't that wonderful?
Yeah.
Hands are a vital part of the picture we present to the world.